dolls, welcome back to my channel. Hey Forever doll, sorry about the intro. It kind of cut off and I was just like, oh my god, but I still left a bit on there. I know, crazy, right? Okay, so let's go ahead and jump on into this look, dolls. I am so excited for y'all. So we're gonna start off by going in with the LA Girl concealer in the color Cool Tan, and I'm gonna be using that to clean up underneath my brows and prime my lids. And I'm pretty sure I'm listening to Janae Aiko because she just gives me like a whole mood, y'all. So I put a tiny amount on the back of my hand. It is like my paint board where I put all my paints, my products, all of my foundation and stuff. I put it on the back of my hand, y'all. So after I'm finished recording, my hand be looking like a whole mural. So I am taking the Cool Tan to clean up underneath my brows. I'm going in with the concealer that is closest to my skin tone. Just for the simple fact that I don't want a dramatic highlight underneath my brows. I want to keep it very natural looking. So I chose a concealer that's closest to my skin tone. And I'm pulling the concealer down after I finish lining my brows so that it's easier to blend when it is time. I'm going to go in with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm going to use this to set the front of my brows. I use this method from time to time, you guys. I like how it makes my brows look in the front. It's just my preference. You do not have to do so. If you want to try it, let me know how you like it. So I'm taking the Access powder and I'm going underneath my brows to just kind of set them. I'm using the Milani face primer to prime my face. It is the prime, let me see. I don't even know, y'all. I don't know what I'm talking about. It is the redness corrector and the pore minimization one. They have different ones, you guys. And it is oil free. So I'm going to take my NYX Dewy setting spray, and I'm going to use this to drench my face, get it ready for the makeup that we're going to be applying. It was cold. It was really cold, y'all. So I'm going in with my NARS foundation, you guys. It is the best foundation, especially if you're going to be moving throughout the day and in the sun and sweating. It is the best, you guys. The best. I'm going to take my NYX foundation brush and I'm going to use that to help blend my foundation. If there's any videos that you guys want to see a tutorial on or anything that you want to see a video on, don't be shy. Comment down below in the comment section, and I promise you guys I will get that video posted for you. Okay, so I'm just taking my beauty blender and I'm basically picking up the Access foundation and just smoothing the foundation down. So I'm going in with my LA concealer in the color Creamy Beige. Oh my god, I cannot stop saying but apparently we didn't want to use that one, so I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color Medium, and I'm using that to highlight my face, which is underneath my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, my chin, and my forehead. I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color Cocoa, and I'm going to be using that to contour my face. I'm going to begin to spray my sponge, and I'm going to blend out my concealer. The more that you leave your concealer unblended, you guys, the more it does the job, okay? The more it reshapes your face, okay? I don't know, it sounds crazy, but I'm telling you, the more that you don't blend in your concealer into your skin, it helps, okay? I will make a detailed video so that y'all can see, because I know y'all probably like, this girl is crazy. So I'm going in with my LA Girl, no, this is the e.l.f. I'm so sorry. This is the e.l.f. stipple brush, you guys, and I'm using that to blend out my darker concealer. And as you guys can see, I'm staying in circular motion so that everything just kind of connects on the face. You always want to kind of make sure you go in circular motions with everything that you do on your face, you guys. So I'm taking that beauty blender again, and I'm just smoothing out the products that I applied and just blending them together. I'm going in with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm going to be using that to set the concealer on my face. So now I'm going in with the LA Colors contour palette, and I'm going to be using this to just warm up my face and set the darker concealer that I applied. We are chiseling those cheekbones, ladies, okay? Oh, Cardi B up in this thing. No, I'm just playing. Swallow. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm going in with that same powder, and I'm gonna set the concealer so that we just we're like snatched with a capital S. And I'm spraying both of my setting sprays on so that it can kind of give me a mixture of how it sets my foundation. It sounds weird, but it's true, guys. I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and I'm using Hot Sand to glow to the gods. Like, I'm finna blind y'all with this highlight. Like, blind y'all, like you finna be blind. And I like to take my highlight up and in circular motions like I would do my contour. For me, I just like to glow from all around my face. This is my preference, you guys. You do not have to do it. I just choose to because I'm extra. Okay, you guys, this is the finished look. This is the natural makeup tutorial, you guys. No eyeshadow, little to no makeup, and a nice bright face, you guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my video. I love you all so much. If there's a video you guys want to see, don't be ashamed to comment down below and let me know what it is. If you want to know how to put your socks on, let me know. No, I'm just kidding. I love you all so much. See you in my next video. Bye!